So, Samael means the poison of God. Samael is the original Satan of the Old Testament. But he is not a Satan in a way modern Christian apologists want you to believe Satan is. He is not an adversary in a true sense. He is an angel of the divine court who is unleashed to test people in order to make them grow through difficulty. One of the aspects of his role as the divinely appointed adversary, who creates adversity by divine permission, is here his rulership and governorship over everything demonic. This is the true nature of Samael. This is the true nature of Satan.